What it does. CI/CD, Continuous Integration/Continuous Deployment, is a pipeline that automates the build, test, and deployment of software applications. It ensures that code changes are integrated, verified, and deployed quickly and reliably. Command/example. Let's create a simple CI/CD pipeline using Jenkins for a Java application. We'll use the following tools. Jenkins as the CI/CD server. Git as the version control system. Maven as the build tool. Docker as the containerization platform. Here's an example Jenkins file. Breaking it down. Agent specifies the agent that will execute the pipeline. In this case, any means the pipeline can run on any available agent. Stages defines the different stages of the pipeline. In this example, we have 3 stages: build, test, and deploy. Steps specifies the actions to be taken within each stage. In this case, we're using the sh step to execute shell commands. Build stage uses Maven to build the Java application. Test stage uses Maven to run the unit tests. Deploy stage builds a Docker image, pushes it to a registry, and deploys it to a Kubernetes cluster using a deployment YAML file. Common mistakes. Not properly configuring the Jenkins agent, leading to pipeline failures. Not handling errors and exceptions within the pipeline, causing it to fail silently. Not implementing proper testing and validation, leading to deployment of faulty code. Try this next. Implement automated testing using tools like Selenium or JUnit. Use environment variables to parameterize the pipeline and make it more flexible. Explore other CI/CD tools like GitLab CI/CD or Circle CI. Pro tip. Use a modular approach to your pipeline, breaking it down into smaller, reusable components. Implement continuous monitoring and logging to ensure visibility into the pipeline's performance. Use infrastructure as code tools like Terraform or Ansible to manage your pipeline's infrastructure. To set up Jenkins and create a pipeline, follow these steps. 1. Install Jenkins on your system. 2. Configure the Jenkins agent and plugins. 3. Create a new pipeline and add the Jenkins file. 4. Configure the pipeline to trigger on code changes. 5. Test and refine the pipeline to ensure it's working as expected. Remember, a well-designed CI/CD pipeline is crucial for ensuring the quality and reliability of your software applications. By following best practices and using the right tools, you can create a pipeline that streamlines your development process and improves your overall productivity.